Hello, crochet enthusiasts. This is Anna and you are on Crochetclubstore channel. Welcome to another tutorial where I'll show you a nifty crochet trick that's both practical and stylish. Today, I'll show how to crochet shoelaces for sneakers. We'll also cover a question many of you have asked. How do you finish off the ends of the shoelaces? Stay tuned as I walk you through the process, step by step. Tutorials on how to crochet baby sneakers can be found on my channel, so save this video and subscribe. Ready? Let's get started. So, to create the shoelaces, I'm using yarn into colors. This is for better visibility of the crochet technique. You can use yarn of the same color. Make a slip knot. Yarn over with the white yarn, then yarn over with the other color, and pull through the 3 loops on the hook. Repeat it, yarn over with the white yarn, then yarn over with the other color and pull through the 2 loops on the hook. Repeat these steps until you reach the desired length of the shoelace. For baby sneakers, I usually crochet laces approximately 50 centimeters long, depending on the size and model. This is the kind of thick shoelace we get. Now, I'll show you how to finish off the crocheting. We pull the loop on the hook and cut the yarn. Next, we cut the second working yarn. Make a double knot. Great, the shoelace is ready. And now, I'll reveal my crafting secret and answer the question, how do you finish off the ends of the shoelaces? For the tips, I use regular 2.0mm heat shrink tubing. You can buy this tubing in electrical supply stores or on Amazon. I'll leave a link below the video. Okay, cut to pieces, each 1 centimeter long. And now, using the hook, stretch this tubing onto our shoelace. Next, add a drop of silicone glue to the tip of the crocheted shoelace. And slide the tubing over the glue to join the shoelace and the tubing together. Leave it for a few minutes to let the glue dry. After it dries, trim the ends of the yarn and check if the tubing is securely attached to the shoelace. Do the same with the other end of the shoelace. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.